These two conversion kits for the Yamaha XSR 900 are from Japan, which thanks to the fairings, tanks, fenders and side panels allows you to turn a modern classic XSR 900 into something truly special, waiting for the arrival of the XSR 900 GP awaiting release. Japanese accessories supplier YZR, dedicated solely to the Yamaha brand, is offering two conversion kits for the current XSR 900. Prices range from €750 to €1,600, and they allow you to turn your bike into a very special one. The Bloodline Sports Kit for the XSR 900 is designed to evoke the 1975 YZR 500, the famous motorcycle ridden by Giacomo Agostini on which he won his second world title. In terms of color, the convertible parts for the XSR are white, yellow and red, and above that the old logo of the House of Three tuning fork stands out. The kit consisted of a new tank, steering head cover, round fairing integrated into the headlights, new front fenders, two side panels and a passenger seat cover.